Hi friends, Assalamu alaikum. You are welcome to my channel Nasib IT. Friends, today in this video I will show you how to design this business card easily by using Photoshop. So let's start the video. So friends, first of all we have to set up a page to design the business card. To do it we have to click on here. After that we have to click on here and type here 3.5. Then you have to click on here, then type here 2. Then you have to click on the OK. After that you have to select a pen tool. Then you have to click on here. Then you have to click on here. Then here, 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 and you have to click on here and draw a curve. To draw a curve, you have to select a move tool. Then you have to press and hold the Alt button from keyboard. Then take a copy from this layer. After that, you have to press and hold the Alt key again and take a copy again. After that, you have to double click on here. Then select the green color from here. Blue color from here. Then you have to click on the OK. Then you have to select this, double click on here, and select the green color from here. Then click on the OK. Now we have to take a copy again. Now we have to double click on here again. Then select this color from here. Then click on the OK. After that you have to select this layer. Right click on this layer and select the blending option. Then you have to click on the gradient only. Then you have to click on the drop shadow. Then you have to click on here. Then you have to adjust the size. Then you have to adjust the distance. Then you have to click on the OK. After that you have to select this layer again. Right click on here and click on the blending option. Then click on the gradient overlay and click on the drop shadow. And click on the OK. Then you have to select this layer, right click on this layer, then select the copy layer style. Then select this layer, right click on this layer and click on the paste layer style. Then you have to select this layer also, right click on this layer, then select the paste layer style. After that you have to adjust all shape from here. After adjust all layers, you have to select all layers from here. Then you have to press and hold the Alt key and take copy from these layers. Then you have to zoom out the screen. Then you have to click on the anchor point. Then you have to right click on here, then click on the flip vertical. Then you have to right click on here again and click on the flip horizontal. Then you have to decrease the size of these layers. Then you have to rotate these layers in 176 degree. Then you have to click on the tick mark. Now you have to design the other things of this business card. So look at this screen attentively how I am doing it. After opening all icons, you have to open your logo from your PC. So I am opening my logo. After that, you have to set all icons in your business card. So look at this scene attentively. After that, you have to select the text tool. Then you have to click on here and write your number in here. Then you have to select all text, then click on here, then select the black color from here, then click on the OK. Then select the move tool, then increase the size of this layer. Then you have to select the text tool again, then you have to click on here, then write your email in here. Then you have to select the text tool again, then click on here and write your website name in here. Then select the move tool again. Now we have to select the text tool again and write your location in here. Now we have to select the text tool again and click on here and write your name in here. Then select all text from here, then click on here, then select the red color from here, then click on the OK. Then select the move tool and increase the size of this layer. Then click on the tick mark. Now select this. Now you have to set your logo in your business card. To set your logo, you have to select the text tool, then click on here and write your company name in here. Then select this text, then click on here and select the white color or black color from here. Then select the move tool and increase the size of this text. Then click on the tick mark. Now our business card design has been completed. Now we have to set this business card in a mockup. So I am opening a mockup for my PC. After opening the mockup, you have to double click on here and select all layers, then click on the backspace. Then you have to back to the project, then select all layers from here and drag and drop this layer in here. Now we have to set the business card in this place. After set the business card, you have to press Ctrl+S button from keyboard. Now you can see the final result. Friends, if this video is useful to you, please like and share this video and subscribe my channel to get more videos. Thanks for watching the video. Allah Hafiz.